It looks super slippery. Born and raised with savages. My heart always stops.
I was scared to fall down.
Okay, I'm not really sure where we are going, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing because we're really in a place that I don't think the usual tourist goes. So very vagabond style. We're gonna cut it off now and actually see you guys at the place where we're going to be shooting today, so that the camera guy doesn't fall and he doesn't break the camera or his legs. So see you when we arrive at the spot. Please like and subscribe, guys, because as you can see, we still have to use the models as videographers as well. We need more subscribers and more. Yes, we need bigger budgets. Talking about budget, we actually launched our Patreon page. We're super excited to share that with you guys. I'll let you enjoy the video now and I'll explain more about it later. Doing a very good job though. If you saw the video from our previous episodes, that was mainly filmed by her. So we arrived at the place and it's kind of cool. It's like a little jungle. I don't really know how to say it. There's nobody here except us, the models, and Ari there on his phone. As you can see, kind of the vibe we're going for is orange today. Orange, gold, brown. It's gonna look nice with the green of the plants. So you see it's nice and pink again. Vagabond theme
Color of the year.
Yes, color of the Vagabond vacation of this year.
Let's get exploring.
Yeah. JC is taking a picture and we don't want to break the nature here because, you know, it's this community, we want to respect that. So we got our videographer just holding the plant for a while so it's not inside the shot.
Maybe more
While JC takes the photo. Ooh, that light.
Should I change something?
That light on JC. Woo!
I'm scared.
Teamwork. You made it.
Almost fell on this one.
Always a little bit of an adventure and a fitness session on a photo shoot of Vagabond. Or I don't know what that is, what Alessia is doing, but it's an interesting way of transportation.
It looks super slippery.
Maybe snake.
Group shots are always quite difficult to take because you gotta get all the models in place. Then in this scenario, hope that no model falls in the water or the tree maybe breaks or something. Not saying that the models weigh too much, but yeah, we just want to make sure that nothing happens with them. So we're slowly, one by one, adding a model and seeing if everything's still stable.
If you stand and she lays and she sits or something, we have like a nice mix of things. Okay. I didn't wear the right shoes. The models always see trees, they want to climb them. And my heart always stops.
You need me like you need air to breathe. You want me to save you.
I got it on video too. So me too.
In 4K.
Oh, you got me. We got 4K.
It's deeper than the top, by the way.
I can't see you drown. I can't see you drown.
Oh my god!
Somebody take a story of this.
Oh my god!
Not sure why, but Matteo seems to want to shower quite early, so yeah. Oh fuck! Yay! Vagabond! I did it! Now the tricky part after the shot, getting everyone off. Some people are taking a different road also. Who's gonna win? Alright, after the adrenaline of climbing, you gotta release it a little bit. So we got one model safe.
Not yet.
Alright. Next model is still alive after...
Oh my god!
I got you.
Still alive, still alive.
So how was it?
Crazy.
Some refreshment. Basically, this is a private community. People actually live here. It's like a little bit of a kind of free-spirited lifestyle, I guess. But they're so kind to let us shoot here today. Thanks for letting us shoot here.
We have a first spot.
Mila is going to show some yoga poses. So the shot looks a bit more adventurous. So if you guys want to know some yoga poses yourself to try out. We're setting up a group shot now because it's quite a unique location to have a couple of models, and luckily they also have the bright red bikinis, which is really a nice contrast, and then the other have a little bit of the earth tones, same like the house. yeah, this is quite a unique spot with just 4 girls, like a group shot with 4 girls in such a unique location. Vagabond Vacations. Representing the brand here. It's pretty cool. She's trying to get a picture of it. And her boyfriend set it up, so yeah, good idea, man. Here, check out the website and get a Vagabond cap yourself. So people will recognize you, that you're part of the Vagabond gang and that you're fun to hang around with and kind of down for whatever adventure. On our Patreon page you can find online workshops on how to shoot models yourself, and you can also find exclusive content. Basically, sometimes we have to blur things here or even completely delete scenes because we just can't share them here on YouTube. I hope to see you there because we want to really build a bit of a community, and you guys also will be added on a group where we can actually talk with each other. So see you there, the link is in the description. Patreon, Vagabond Vlogs, let's get it.